Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We take up another verse from Bhramar Geet written by Surdas, who was a 16th century Hindu devotional poet and singer known for his lyrics written in praise of Krishna. Surdas wrote in Braj Bhasha, one of the two literary dialects of Hindi. He was a part of the Bhakti movement spreading across the Indian subcontinent. This movement represented spiritual empowerment of the masses. Kabir, Tulsidas, Mirabai were some other prominent poets relating to the Bhakti movement. In Bhramar Geet, Surdas has included verses describing Uddhav, a friend of Krishna, visiting Braj to convey Krishna's message to the gopis who had been left pining for him when Krishna had suddenly left for Mathura. To recall Krishna's childhood, born in Mathura, he was transported under divine inspiration to Braj Bhumi. He was brought up as the child of Nand and Yashoda, although his real parents were Vasudev and Devaki. Later, Krishna moved to Mathura to get his parents released from prison where they had been incarcerated by Kansa, the king of Mathura and a maternal uncle to Krishna. The inhabitants of Braj could not reconcile with the loss of Krishna to Mathura. The depth of their sorrow knew no bounds. So Krishna sent a friend of his, Uddhav, to Braj to explain his divinity to Nand, Yashoda, as well as to the gopis. Gopis took Uddhav aside and probed him to learn as much as they could about their beloved Krishna. They repeatedly chanted Krishna's name. Meanwhile, a black bee droned into this assembly. The gopis taunted Uddhav through the medium of the bee. These verses are therefore known as Bhramar Geet, the song of the black bee. Today's verse describes the predicament in which the gopis are placed after Krishna has left them high and dry. Of course, he had his own reasons. But how would gopis understand those reasons? In this particular verse, gopis are sending a message to Krishna. Udho Nand Nandan so itni kahiyo, jadapi braj anath kari chhadyo, tadapi bar ik chit kari rahiyo. Please go and convey this message to Nanda Nandan, Krishna, son of Nanda, that he has orphaned us. He has orphaned the entire Braj. But he should think over this. तिनका तोर करो जनी हमसो एक बात की लज्जा गयो. He could not have broken his relationship with us as if we are a piece of straw. He should not have been so hard-hearted. गुण औगुन रोष नहीं कीजत, दास निदास की इतनी सहियो. Okay, we have faults, but who does not have faults? He should not have minded our faults to this extent. Breaking our relationship in this fashion and so suddenly was not fair on his part. We are his servants. the servants of his servants. We are so low. He was so high. He should pardon us for anything wrong that we might have committed. गुण और गुणन रोष नहीं कीजत. He shouldn't be angry with us for our faults. दास ने दास की इतनी सही हो. Ultimately, one does tolerate if a servant has committed a mistake. तुम बिन श्यान श्याम कहाँ हम करे हैं, यह अवलंब न सपने लइयो. We can't even dream of what we shall do in your absence. So that's writes, Uddhav, please tell him that the message he has sent about us taking yoga, the worship of Nirgun Brahma, is not equal to his sharing a glass of lassi with us. That was our love. That was different. We want him to come and do the same thing again. उद्धव के द्वारा गोपियां संदेश भेज रही हैं. नंद नंदन श्री कृष्ण से इतना अवश्य कह देना कि यद्यपि आपने समस्त ब्रज को अनाथ कर दिया है, फिर भी एक बार तो हमारी दुर्दशा पर विचार कीजिए. भगवान, आप हमारे प्राण के प्यारे हैं. आपको इतना निष्ठुरता नहीं दिखानी चाहिए थी कि अपना संबंध हमारे साथ हमेशा के लिए तोड़ दिया जाए. हम आपके साथ प्रेम पूर्वक रहते थे, इसकी कुछ तो शर्म होनी चाहिए. आपको हमारे इन गुण और अवगुणों पर क्रोध नहीं करना चाहिए. हम तो आपके दासों की भी दासी हैं, अतः हमें क्षमा कीजिए. हे श्याम, तुम्हारे बिन हम क्या करेंगी? हमें कौन पूछेगा? हमारी क्या औकात है? और आपकी ये शरण तो हमें स्वप्न में भी नहीं मिल सकती जो यहां मिली हुई थी. उस शरण का ही हमें भरोसा है. श्याम, लौट के आओ. आप कह रहे हो कि योग संदेश हमें भेजा जा रहा है. हमें ये संदेश नहीं चाहिए. हमें तो सामान ग्वालों की भांति लस्सी पीना ही सबसे अच्छा लगता है. इसलिए हे कृष्ण, आप वापिस आइए, हमारे साथ रास करिए, हमें बांसुरी बजाकर सुनाइए. आप भी प्रसन्न होइए, हमें भी प्रसन्न करिए. Brahmar Geet is a fabulous combination of virha, grief of separation, jnana and bhakti. It is a composition in the face of which jnana takes a back seat. Here the entire logic of yoga accepts defeat. All that remains is absolute devotion, bhakti and bhakti alone. Surdas dwells in Vatsalya, Shringar, Shant and Virha Ras. This particular verse is in Virha Ras. Virha is the pain of separation. The gopis have been separated from Krishna by his departure. They can't bear this loss. So they tell Uddhav, who is a close friend of Krishna, that they are not interested in his message of Nirgun Brahma. They want him back physically. They want to share their love with him. They want to listen to his music. They want to have butter and curds with Krishna. It's a plaint. It's a plaint full of pathos. It's a genuine plaint. Krishna, please come back. We are pining for you. Our life has become useless. Surdas is one of the greats of Hindi poetry. He not only enriched literature with emotion and linguistic excellence, but also pioneered a unique tradition in Krishna Kavya. I stop here today. We shall meet again with another verse very soon. Thank you for visiting this site. Thank you for listening to me.